Every season change, an unwelcome guest appears allergic rhinitis. When the air is dry and the temperature shifts sharply, the airways become sensitive, making symptoms worse. Typical signs include constant sneezing, a runny clear nose, nasal congestion, and itchy eyes or nose. If ignored, it can lead to complications like sinusitis, nasal polyps, ear infections, sleep problems, and even asthma. Remember, it's not just a runny nose. Allergic rhinitis affects overall respiratory health. If you keep sneezing every season, it may be more than just a cold. Subscribe for more daily health tips.